Mike Flood is trapped out at sea on a blazing platform. Mike Flood is trapped out at sea on a blazing platform.
Ben, you pilot Titan. Elvis and Penny, you man the water cannons. I'll take...
Oh no, I'm getting up.
I'm at the platform, Ben, but there's no sign of Mike.
Maybe he's jumped overboard, Sam.
I'll take a look around.
I'll hold her steady. Penny, Elvis, you direct the cannons.
I'm over here! Oh, I got my whistle.
I'm coming, Mike. I've got you, Mike. Nice job, Ben.
Oh, thanks, Bronwyn.
Sorry about your fireworks, Mike.
It was my fault. I should have been more careful with me button.
Well, it was a bit choppy out there. Probably a force 3.
Does that mean there won't be any fireworks, Mike?
I'm afraid it does, James. The ocean of flame will never be seen.
It might, Mike. If I help you, we can go out on Titan.
Oh, I love a fishy nibble. Don't you, Trevor?
Little brown eel slips into the hole.
You should do the honours, Sam.
I will, sir. Attention, everybody.
Oh, what's going to happen?
I now declare the Pontypandy Ocean Rescue Centre open.
And we're off!
That really does look like an ocean of flame, Mike. But this time, I won't put it out. I'm stuck again. Help?